Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into the channel Joe Racks. Hope that you all are doing well. I am back with another unboxing of some new music. Something that was released this past Friday on May 2nd. And it is a new album from Chicago-based thrash band Misfire. The name of the album is Product of the Environment. It is their second studio album released through M&RK Heavy. And I got the vinyl. Now their first album, Sympathy For The Ignorant, came out in 2022, I think. Anyway, I have the CD on that, but I never had the vinyl, so I actually picked up the vinyl with this, with the new release. So I'm going to get these out of the box for now, right now. Let's see what we got. So this was something that wasn't announced too long ago either, like the new Cancer release. So I think this was released or announced about 2 months ago as well. So, first up is this. Well, let's get to the new one. I'll do the new one first. So, Product of the Environment is the name of the album. Cover. There's the back, the band on the back, and the song titles. This is green, I think, a green, some type of green color, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure when they formed, but I heard of them when their first album came out. It was something that I had found on Spotify, and found out they were from Chicago, which is my area, and got into them. I thought their debut was really good. Let me see when that came out. It was 2022, so, and that was one of my favorite albums that year. So I'm gonna show it without the glare. Let's see what we got. Lyrics and stuff. Lyrics and credits. So, nice. Let's get the vinyl out. Green black splatter. Very cool. Very nice. Misfire. They did release 2 songs prior to the release of the album. What was the, what was it, not Left 4 Dead, Living the Dream, I believe, was the first one, and I thought that was really good, so I was pretty pumped for this. Nothing. So I was pretty excited for this. We've got a lot of good thrash coming out this year, at least in my opinion. Chemicide, Parabellum, the New Destruction, Sacrifice, a lot of really cool thrash. Warfield, I'm in love with that Warfield album. It is a thrash assault. It was really good. So let's check this one out. Like I said, I do have the CD on this, so I just wanted to get this in my collection. Also, and this is, they were on the same label for this, M&RK Heavy, for this release also. On that new one, I saw there was a guest vocal from Rob Dukes, who is now back in Exodus. And guest lead guitar solo from Rob Cavastani from Death Angel, and I think there was one more guest, but I can't remember who. So, Sympathy For The Ignorant. And oh, there are 3-piece on here, and the other one there's 4. The other, there are 4-piece now. So let's see what we got. It is inside. Oh, download think that's it. Nothing else. Alright. Because it's inside the jacket here, inside the sleeve here. Very cool. Alright, very nice. So, I can't wait to spin the new one. I did like that song, the first song they released, and they released another one, but I didn't listen to that because I wanted to hear the whole album. So that's what I'll be doing tonight, spinning this tonight. So, all right, Misfire, Product of the Environment, second studio album, and yep, and plus their debut I have on vinyl now. So. Alright, that's all I got. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.